Hey everyone, the crypto market is going crazy right now. We're seeing major pullbacks across the altcoin space, and today I want to break down exactly what's going on. More importantly, how can we turn this into an opportunity? We'll look at whether I believe the market has topped out, what's changed under the surface, and how I'm personally approaching this moment. So stick around, this is packed with critical info. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeremy and I make daily crypto videos showing you how to profit in this ever-changing market. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Bitcoin update. Let's start with Bitcoin. Right now, price action isn't too bad. We're consolidating in a tight range. Support around 117, 100 is holding strong, while resistance at 119, 700 is proving tough to break. But this kind of sideways action often leads to a breakout, and history suggests it's likely to be upward. Altcoins pulling back. Altcoins, however, have taken a hit. Many down 10%, 15%, even 20%. But considering most are up hundreds of percent this year, that's not shocking. This kind of pullback is normal and can be healthy for the market. Ethereum watch. Ethereum has dipped below a key support level. It tried to hold, but we've now seen a breakdown. Still, this is a daily candle and it could recover before close. Even if ETH drops to 3.0, I'm still bullish. We're just consolidating within a strong uptrend. Watch that monthly close in 6 days. It'll be a major decision point. Other coins. Solana has given back some gains. Dogecoin and Cardano are dipping into support zones. Same for XRP and PP. We'll monitor those levels closely. Why is this happening? Here's the core reason behind the drop. Liquidations. Too many traders over-leveraged at the top, got greedy, and now they're getting wiped out. No plan, no risk management, just FOMO, and now they're paying the price. That's why my trading bots and strategies are different. They accumulate on the way down and take profits on the way up. Volatility becomes your best friend when your system thrives in both directions. Bitcoin dominance bounced hard off the 60% level, which caused a sell-off in altcoins. But I believe this is just a temporary breather before the altcoin rally resumes. I'm not selling, I'm buying the dip. Yes, institutions are selling risk assets right now, but retail is absorbing it. Someone's going to be right. And I believe long-term, the bulls are still in control. ETF flows are slowing down a bit and old whales are starting to take profits. But this doesn't change my bigger outlook. I still believe the true bull market top will be in 2026. So stay patient. This is the calm before the next storm. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell. I've got more updates coming to help you navigate these markets profitably. Jonny Blockchain is a smart trading platform that uses AI-powered algorithms to trade the top cryptocurrencies for you, automatically. Here's why it stands out. No coding or experience needed. Your funds stay in your exchange or MetaMask wallet, never held by Jonny Blockchain. Trade 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, while you sleep or relax. Just $25 per year for unlimited bot setups. Setting up is simple. Just head over to Jonny Blockchain to create a free account. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, Jonny Blockchain gives you the edge to participate in crypto without the stress. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Want to deep dive into another crypto topic? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay informed, stay ready, and stay tuned, and happy trading.